All right, I want to show you how to set up this simulator. First thing you're going to have to do, the computer's going to be off. This far button right over here, you just press that once, it'll turn on. You can grab the remote, come over here, and just click the power button. That orange light will start flashing blue. It'll start powering up. And then you just have to push this blue button on the launch monitor to turn it on. It was already on when I did this, but it'll boot up. And once that happens, you'll come over to this screen right here. So all you got to do is hit any button and then type in the password. It'll open. From there, this icon right in the middle is this FSX Play. That's what's going to launch everything. So all you have to do is double left click that, and you'll get this pop up, and you're going to want to click yes. Now it'll start to load. Okay, at this point, you're going to have the simulator on the screen. The launch monitor will be flashing blue. It's looking for a golf ball right now. And then this just mirrors what you see on the simulator screen. This is your selection. If you want to play, you're going to go to the courses. If you want to practice, you can go there. There are some games here. You have to have a FSX live account for some of these, but you can create one of those. I don't think they cost anything. To play, you click on courses, and then we have all of the courses that we have currently. So all those are right there. And then the recently played ones are up here at the top. So if we click this first one, just double click it, then you're going to have your player screen. So you can add players here. You can select the tee boxes. Right-handed, you can enter a handicap if you'd like. I will say this is not ideal for left-handed golfers just because of the wall here. On the other side, it's obviously open. So keep that in mind. This is more ideal for right-handed golfers at the moment. There's not a whole lot we can do about the garage door, but we're working on that. So once you select the tee boxes, you can play different tee boxes. You can click in to the name and edit that if you would like. I'm going to remove these other two for right now. Then you can go to the setup. If you just want to play the front nine, just unclick the back nine, it'll turn black. You play 18, or if you just want to play the back nine, you can set up stroke play, match play. It is going to say you need more than one player. Pin placement's easy, medium, difficult, and then you have your greens right here. You can adjust. Once that's set up the way you want it, go ahead and click play, and it's going to take you in to the first hole once the course loads. Once you're all set up, it's going to look like this. You'll be on the first tee, and we ask that you play with the Strixon balls we have here that are new and unmarked. We'll have other options here available shortly, so grab one out of there. And now you have where to put the ball. If you put this ball right in front of the launch monitor, it's still going to say move the ball into the hitting zone. If it's too far back, it's going to say the same thing. The screen's going to say looking for a ball. This should be in the center of this mat and behind the launch monitor. Once you do that, it's going to give you a check mark, and it's going to turn green on the screen saying ready to hit. From there, if you need to change your alignment, just use the mouse and drag that pin over and go ahead and hit your shot. All right, once you get on the putting green, you can use the mouse to drag your start lines. You can see right now, this one's too far left, so we're going to move that little black pin a little closer. That one's going to hit the edge. There we go, right in there. So when you set this up on the mat, it still has to be picked up by the reader. And then this says it's a 9-foot putt with no elevation change, so it's flat. So what you want to try and do is hit a 9-foot putt and start it on that blue line that you see on the screen. All right, when you're finished, you come up here. You can go to exit game, exit without saving, back to main menu, the back button, again, confirm. And then all you have to do from there is go to the little Windows icon down here, the power icon, and shut down. And then you hit the power button. It'll say hit it again, and that turns that off. And then all you got to do is go down to the little blue button and press it for like a second or two, and it'll shut the device off. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We thank you for joining the Newark Golf Factory.